This is the video on how to install Pacman ROM on Yureka Plus. First, download Pacman ROM and zip file from the link given in the description and place it on the internal storage. And make sure that TWRP recovery is installed. If you don't know how to install it, just scroll down to the description and refer to the link. Now turn off your device and reboot the recovery. For doing this, just press power button, volume up and volume down at the same time and release it when phone vibrates. I have TWRP recovery installed. So now in TWRP recovery, click on wipe, click on advanced wipe. Now from the following, select Dalvik cache, system, data and cache and just swipe to wipe. Wait for some time. Now go back and click on home. Now click on install. Navigate to your folder where you kept that two files. Now first select Pacman ROM. Now click on add more zip. And select gx.zip file. And now swipe to confirm flash. Now again wipe Dalvik cache and finally reboot your system. First boot may take up to 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can see on about ROM that I am on Pacman ROM on Yureka Plus. This ROM is unofficial, but this ROM has no bugs, not much hitting issues, better battery backup. You must try this ROM. It is really smooth and highly customizable. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe and finally thanks for watching. Have a good day.